Hello, and welcome to this quick demo to English for IT. You can start by either signing in or registering for a new account. I'm going to register. That's it. That's how quickly you can get into the program. You've got an account up here with your profile and information. You have access to 2 units from the beginning. These are free. To get the rest of the units, you can either subscribe or join a class. Let's jump right into the first unit. This is Unit 1, Welcome to English for IT. This is a rather short unit that we've put in here to allow you just to get used to how the program works. The first thing you'll do is study the unit vocabulary. You can scroll and see all the words that you're responsible for learning in the unit. You can click on a word to hear it pronounced.
Application.
And you can also click to get an example sentence read to you. Definition is of course available as well. After you have read and understood all the vocabulary terms, you will go back and start the activities. The first activity is the reading activity, where you can click to hear the reading read to you, and you can also read along. I speak 3 languages, English, French, and Swedish, and I found the best way to increase vocabulary and understanding is to hear a text and have it read to you as you read along, and that's why I have this as the first activity. If you don't want to do it online, you can also download a PDF, an MP3, and do these things offline. When you're done with this activity, you will go back to the unit menu, and you'll see the second activity is multiple choice. With the multiple choice activity, it's fairly straightforward. You will pick the best definition of the word, app or application, software program. That is correct. If you don't know the answer to any one of the questions in the activities, you can click I don't know. It'll give you the answer, and you will not lose any points. These are learning activities, so although we do keep score and you do get graded, it's not the most serious thing in the world. So the purpose is to teach you, so we don't penalize people for saying they don't know. You can quit at any time and go back and jump back right where you left off, and that's the multiple choice activity. The third activity type is the spelling and recognition. In this activity, it gives you the definition and you type in the term, a group of connected computers which share resources. Let's say it is a network. That's correct. An organized electronic collection of information optimized for fast access and typically consisting of rows, columns, indexes, and keys. That's a database. Let's call it a database. Get that one incorrect. Physical things that make up a computer, such as a component or a peripheral. That sounds like hardware to me. That's the spelling and recognition question. The 4th activity type is the listening comprehension. A lot of people write in and say this is their favorite activity type. You listen to a word,
Peripheral,
and then type in the answer. That's how that one works. The 5th activity type per unit is the writing question. Here you are given 2 questions, sometimes 3, depending on the unit. You pick the question you want to answer. You think about the question and write a 50 to 200 word answer, and then your grade is determined on the content quality as well as the grammar and spelling. Let's write in some Orem Lipsum text here. And we will submit this. And now the activity is complete. And the writing activity is graded by a human. The machine cannot grade it automatically like the other exercises. So if you're not in a class, you can't get this activity graded. Self-study students will still be able to complete the writing and speaking activities, however, because they're really excellent practice. Let's go to the speaking activity. It's disabled by default. Just to show you what that looks like, you can also disable other exercises. Let's enable this activity and go into it. This is another cool activity. You just listen to the example sentence here. Hardware today has become such a commodity that it's often more expensive to repair it than to replace it. And then you can just record this. You need a microphone and flash on your computer in order to do this activity. Hardware today has become such a commodity that it's often more expensive to repair it than to replace it. And you click stop and play, and you can hear right through the browser, you can hear yourself what you've just recorded. You can record over yourself if you want, or when you're ready, you click save, and you can go to the next question. Okay, that's a quick overview of the different activities in English for IT. We also have a dictionary where you can look up hundreds of words. For instance, we'll type in Bill, and we'll get Bill Gates come up. Other activities are discussions, where you can discuss things with people in your classes or the community in general. We have a link where you can see all the activities at once, as well as all the downloads if you just want to grab something and head on your way. We have achievements, so when you pass certain milestones in the course, you will receive an achievement badge, which can be displayed on your profile page. We have certifications. If you complete 20 of the units, you will receive a downloadable certificate of completion, which is printable. We have a joke database. I feel when learning a language, one of the last things you get is the humor. And often if you're going out and meeting native speakers, your sense of humor is what will often attract them to you, to the fact where they want to get to know you. So without a sense of humor, you're going to have a very tough time making it in an international IT environment, is my opinion. And world rankings. World rankings are how you can compare yourself to other speakers and learners around the world. This is our gamification of the course. So you can see that this person in Thailand has the highest power score, and several are close from Ukraine. You can pick your own country here. Say you're from Albania. You can see the top users in Albania. And our power score is 0. We've just completed the reading, which you don't get any points for. You have to actually complete the exercises. Your power score will grow, and you will move up in your world rankings and your local rankings. That is about all I want to go over today. You can log out here and go back to the main page. I want to thank you for watching this demo. If you have any questions, just feel free to contact us. And I hope that you will now go in and create an account for yourself, whether you're a student or a teacher, I think you will find that using this resource will improve your English for IT skills. Thank you, and bye-bye.